have an adapter with our pull steering. So I'm able to put that adapter right in their pedal drive. That's it, we're done. I now have this inner tube style boat, motorized, ready to get on the water. So I'm gonna run this to my PP-378 battery that I've got on the side here. I'm gonna secure that under our bungees. Always wear your kill switch, please. And our remote's gonna give us 12 speeds forward, 3 speeds in reverse, and our pull steering is gonna go right on there. And it's gonna give you basically 360 turning. It's that simple, guys. So there's sort of a DIY project with our Bixpy motor. Easy, simple, no drilling, no tapes, no glue, nothing else. That's it. Let's get these on the water and see how they do.